Good morning, lovelies, and welcome back to my channel, Aquarian Empress Tarot. For those of you who are new to the channel, please do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below along with the notification bell. That way you can be notified anytime I go live or post new content. Sorry about that, y'all. My nose is itching a little bit. This is going to be a very quick walkthrough because I'm actually getting ready for work this morning, so I'm on borrowed time. But you guys, I'm so super excited. I just received my deck from Tarot by A Creations. Yeah. So this is an unboxing, and I'm super excited, guys, to show you what this deck looks like. I'm so excited. So excited. Here we go. Ooh, the little baggie is so cute, you guys. So cute. And the name of the deck is called Tea Spill. Let's pull it out, right? Tea Spill. See, and it says Tarot by A. So please go check out her Etsy shop. Beautiful images in this deck. Let's see. Let's just take a little walkthrough. Let's take a little walkthrough, y'all, because that's what we do. I don't even know how I'm gonna open it, but let's put the nails to use, right? Let's put them to use. Guys, I'm so excited. Ooh. Ooh, and I love the consistency of the cards. They're not glossed, they're of a matte finish, but I love it. I love that they're really soft. They're really easy to shuffle, excuse me. So let's take a walk through, okay? First card we have is Psycho. Actually, let me start from the bottom of the deck and work my way up. We have a no, thumbs down. We have a yes, thumbs up. We have summer. Guys, let's see that. Spring. Let me adjust the light so you guys can see a little bit better. There we go. We have winter. I don't know if you can see that. We have fall. We have invitation. We have man-eater, someone who's dominant and manipulative. We have materialistic, rich, high status. We have wild card, surprise, twist of fate. We have travel. We have date night, night out, table for two. I love that card. Table for two, please. We have player, deception, beautiful liar. Yes. We have digmatized. I love this card already. It says hypnotized, magic in the pants. Okay. We have choices, options, decisions, blocked, ignored, ghosted. We have love affair, one night stand, or in the heat of the moment. We have intertwined, passion, sexy times. We have commitment, long-term partnership. We have intoxicated. We have bar, drinking feelings, drunken stupor. Seeking, looking, searching. That could be online or wherever. We have bound, stuck, trapped. We have alone, ending, finality. We have incoming, message, communication. I love this postal box for communication. I love it. Pinky promise. We have swear, unbreakable. We have believe, faith, prayer, frozen, cold, heartless. Hidden agenda, deception, ulterior motive. Unknown, mystery, undisclosed. Right? We don't know. Isolation, space or separation. Unapologetic, sorry, not sorry, unremorseful. Destiny, divine, star-crossed. We have Sparkle, Wish, Surprise. We have Entanglement, Cheater, Affair. 3 or more, third party or others. Yeah. Gesture. And I love that image, y'all. I love this image with the cups here like stacked like that because it's a mess. We have gesture, proof of love, and romantic offer, right? Romantic efforts, excuse me. Thinker, overthinking in their head. Yeah. Sorry, apology, sympathy. We have hidden, secrets concealed. I like it. Lockdown, closed off, unallowed. Secret admirer, mystery lover. We have perfect pair, soulmate, other half. Love this. We have revenge, payback, retaliation. We have unrequited, unmatched, not returned. We have caution, danger, be careful. We have fake, pretending, unreal. I love this mannequin for this, y'all. This is giving me life. Workaholic, job obsessed, married to the job. Some people are married to the money. Liar, lie, dishonesty. We have love, unconditional, unwavering. We have confined, stuck or trapped. We have victim, casualty, attacked. We have off the hook, ignoring you or avoidance. Disconnect, detached, disengaged. And we have psycho, a lunatic, cray cray. All right, y'all. So that has been the walkthrough of Tea Spill Tarot by A. So go check her out on her Etsy shop. I will post the link to her Etsy shop down in the description box below this video if you are interested. The deck was only $45. Great price for this deck. It's a new deck, and I just feel like it's going to have great energy with it. And I'll be using it in upcoming readings, definitely. So stay tuned for another unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, love you guys.